Hi, it's Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler, answering your bankruptcy-related questions. So my internet guy, Steve, he typically sends me topics that people are emailing about for me to make videos on. And a couple of these are related, so I'm just going to go over these at the same time. How much money can I have in the bank for Chapter 7? Will my cryptocurrency be affected when filing Chapter 7? What happens to your bank account if you file Chapter 7? These are all kind of the same. So I've done other videos on exemptions, and this falls into that exemption category. When you file bankruptcy, and we're talking about Chapter 7 here, you're allowed to keep a certain amount of your property. So in Virginia, you get a $10,000 exemption for equity in your car, $5,000 for your household goods, $3,000 for your firearms, things like that. And then you have a $5,000 exemption to do with whatever you want. And so typically people will use that to protect their cryptocurrency or their cash in the bank. That is usually one of the only exemptions available to protect those things. Now, that's not always the case. For instance, if your income is Social Security and that money is in the bank, it is exempt under federal law because it is Social Security. And likewise, if the money in your bank account comes from your wages, there's another Virginia exemption that says 75% of your wages are exempt. So there's a bunch of ways to protect money in your bank, and as well as other assets like cryptocurrency. So when you talk to me or Mr. Fisher, have an idea of what you have in terms of these liquid assets and where the money came from, because it matters on how we can protect it. As to what will happen to your bank account, typically bank accounts, there's no effect to them unless you have an account with a credit union, and you also have debt with that credit union. Credit unions get really angry when you file bankruptcy. And so a lot of times they will close your account. So number one, you want to make sure you don't have any money in that account when we file your bankruptcy case, because they may try and take it and set it off against your debt. And number two, you don't want your paycheck or other benefits going into a credit union account in case they close it. That could cause havoc with your monthly income. If you have any other questions regarding your assets and what can be protected and what can't, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler, answering your quick bankruptcy questions with quick answers. So one question that comes up from time to time is people want to know if bankruptcy has any kind of